the neuroscience behind fixing your sleep schedule. In today's fast-paced world, maintaining a consistent sleep schedule can be challenging. Work commitment, social engagements, and pervasive influence of technology often disrupt our natural sleep patterns. However, understanding the neuroscience behind sleep can help us appreciate the importance of a regular sleep schedule and guide us in making changes to improve our sleep quality. So let's explore the key aspect of sleep neuroscience and how to apply this knowledge to fix your sleep schedule. So I start with this: how our body manages sleep. Circadian rhythm and sleep-wake cycle, that is the body internal clock, at the core of our sleep pattern. Circadian rhythm, the natural internal process that regulates the sleep-awake cycle and repeat roughly every 24 hours. These rhythms are controlled by the suprachiasmatic nucleus, that is called SCN, in the hypothalamus, which act as a body master clock. The SCN respond to light signal from environment, particularly the blue light from the sun, to align our internal clock with the external day-night cycle. Next, I will talk about the role of melatonin. So the melatonin, a hormone produced by the pineal gland, play a crucial role in regulating sleep. Its production increases in response to darkness, signal to the body that it's time to prepare for sleep. Conversely, light exposure inhibits melatonin production, promoting wakefulness. So understanding melatonin's role can help us manipulate our environment to improve sleep. Now we'll talk about the sleep stage and their function. So sleep is not a uniform state but consists of several stages, each with distinct function. So these stages can be broadly characterized into non-rapid eye movement, that is called NREM, and REM sleep, and rapid eye movement called REM sleep. So NREM sleep, this includes 3 stages, with each progressively leading to deeper sleep. So NREM sleep is crucial for physical restoration, immune function, and better memory consolidation. REM sleep, which is characterized by rapid eye movement and vivid dreaming. So REM sleep is essential for cognitive function such as learning, memory, and emotional regulation. A balanced sleep cycle involves transitioning smooth through these stages multiple times a night, highlight the importance of consistent sleep schedule for optimal health. So what happens when sleep is disturbed? Inconsistent sleep schedule can have significant negative impact on both physical and our mental health. First, cognitive impairment. So sleep deprivation affects the attention, memory, executing function, making it difficult to perform daily tasks effectively. Chronic sleep disturbance are linked to long-term cognitive decline and increased risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Parkinson and Alzheimer. Second, emotional and mental health. So poor sleep can exacerbate symptoms of anxiety and depression, creating a vicious cycle where mental health issues further disrupt sleep. Adequate sleep support emotional regulation and resilience. And third, physical health risk. Insufficient sleep is associated with an increased risk of cardiovascular disease, diabetes, obesity, and weakened immune response or immune function. Now on the emotional and mental health. So sleep and mental health are deeply intertwined. Poor sleep can exacerbate symptoms of anxiety and depression, that creating a vicious cycle where mental health issues further disrupt sleep. Conversely, adequate sleep support emotional regulation and resilience. So next will physical health risk. The physical consequences of the disrupted sleep pattern are profound. Insufficient sleep is associated with the risk of cardiovascular, diabetes, obesity, and weakened immune function. Maintaining a regular sleep schedule is essential for overall physical health and longevity. Now I'll give 10 tips for fixing your sleep schedule. So based on neuroscience of sleep, here are evidence-based strategy to help fix your sleep schedule. First, consistent sleep routine. One of the most effective ways to reset your sleep schedule is to maintain the consistent sleep and wake times. Even on the weekend, this helps reinforce your circadian rhythm and improve sleep quality. Gradually adjust your sleep schedule. If you need to shift your sleep times, do so gradually by adjusting your bedtime by 15 to 30 minutes each day until you reach your desired schedule. Stick to your schedule. Once you have established a routine, try to maintain it consistently, even on weekend or day off. Second, optimize your sleep environment. So creating a sleep productive environment can significantly improve sleep quality. Control light exposure. Use blackout curtains or an eye mask to eliminate external light. Dim light in evening to promote melatonin production. Manage noise. Use earplugs or a white noise machine to block disruptive sound. Regulate temperature. So keep your bedroom as lower body temperature. Promote better sleep. Third, manage light exposure. So the light plays a crucial role in regulating our circadian rhythm. Get morning sunlight. Exposure yourself to bright light, preferably natural sunlight, shortly after waking up. This helps reset your circadian rhythm and promote the alertness. Limit blue light exposure. So reduce the exposure to blue light from the screen at least an hour before bed. Use blue light filter or device or wear blue light blocking glasses in evening. Fourth, be mindful of diet and exercise. What you eat and when you exercise can impact your sleep. Avoid heavy meal close to the bedtime. Large meal can disrupt sleep, especially if they cause discomfort or indigestion. Limit caffeine and alcohol. Both can interfere with the sleep quality. Avoid caffeine in the afternoon and evening and limit alcohol consumption, especially close to bedtime. Exercise regularly. So regular exercise actively can improve sleep quality, but try to finish intense workout at least a few hours before bed. Fifth, develop a relaxing bed routine. Develop a relaxing bedtime routine. A consistent bedtime routine can signal to your body that time to wind down. Practice relaxation technique like incorporate activity like meditations, deep breathing exercise, or gentle stretching before bed. Avoid stimulating activities. Engage in the calming activity like reading or listening to the soothing music instead of watching exciting TV shows or engaging in work-related tasks. 6. Address stress and anxiety. Stress and anxiety can significantly impact sleep quality. Practice stress management techniques. Use methods like mindfulness meditation. If racing thoughts keep you awake, try writing down your concern before bed to clear your mind. And 7. Consider melatonin supplement. In some cases, not all cases, melatonin supplement may help reset your sleep schedule. Consult a healthcare professional. Discuss whether melatonin supplement is appropriate for your situation and get guidance on the proper dose and timing. Use a directed melatonin that is most effective when used for short-term sleep issues or to adjust new time zone. 8. Limit naps. While short naps can be refreshing, long or late day naps can interfere with the nighttime sleep. Keep naps short. Aim to 20 to 30 minutes if you need to nap. Avoid late afternoon naps. Try not to nap after 3 p.m. to prevent interference with nighttime sleep. 9. Utilize technology wisely. While excessive screen time can disrupt sleep, certain technology can aid in sleep management. These can provide insight into your sleep pattern and help you identify areas for improvement. Try smart lighting. Programmable light that gradually dim in the evening and bright in the morning can help reinforce your circadian rhythm. 10th, address underlying sleep disorder. If sleep issues persist despite this strategy, it may be beneficial to seek professional help. Consider cognitive behavioral therapy for the insomnia. which is the CBTI. These evidence-based treatment can help address the thought and behavior that interfere with sleep. So now I would like to wrap up here. Fixing your sleep schedule requires a multi-phased approach based on neuroscience of sleep. By understanding the biological mechanism that regulate sleep and implementing evidence-based strategy, you can significantly improve your sleep quality and overall well-being. Remember that everyone's sleep needs are unique, and it may take time and experiment to find the optimal sleep routine for you. Prioritizing sleep and maintaining consistent sleep habits is a powerful investment in your physical health, cognitive function, and emotional well-being. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.